Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So in this project, we are going to create a program that will count how many vowels and consonants are there in your sentence or string. Let's create a function VC counter. Alright, and it will accept a string, of course. Next, we are going to loop through all the characters in the string or in the sentence you can say. So for character or char in str, first we will check if character dot is alpha, and before that, now here first let me create vowels. So vowels equals A-E-I-O-U. Alright. So first we are checking that whether the character is alpha. What does is alpha means? Is alpha means that it is a character and not even a space. So it will be either A to Z. Alright. Uppercase or lowercase. Next we are going to check if character in vowels come here, V equals C equals 0. So initializing, we are initializing number of vowels and number of consonants to 0. Alright. So if character in vowels, what we will do? We will increase the number of vowel by 1. So V plus equals 1. Alright. Else C plus equals 1, or V equals V plus 1 or C equals C plus 1. That's it. And next we are going to return V comma C. That's it. Now the thing is, so this function is returning number of vowels and number of consonants, right? So next part is taking input from the user. So user input equals, oops, not like this, user underscore input equals, we are going to take the input. So input, enter sentence or string. Okay. And next we are going to provide a new line. Now the thing is, here only we are going to convert it to lowercase. Yup. Okay. Else here we somewhere we need to handle it. So here only, while taking the input, we are converting it to lowercase. Alright. Next, we are going to take vowel, comma, consonants equals VC counter, and we are going to pass this user input. Next, we are going to print it. So let's print using F string number of vowels vowel. Next, we are going to provide a new line and we are going to write number of consonant. There you go. Let's hit save. So, what are the steps that we are doing here? Let me run it. Okay. So, Python. This is number 11. Provide a tab. Let's hit enter. Let's say I love cat. Okay. Let's take a look. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 vowels are there. And how many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So 4 vowel, 4 consonants. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Let's execute it one more time. So let's make it short only. Like, see it is not including the spaces. That's why we have this is alpha. We are checking if it is alpha or not. If it is not alpha, then that character is being skipped. Okay. So let's write here, say, say something. Say madam. M-A-D-A-M. So here we have 2 vowels and 3 consonants, right? Yeah, there you go. Next, let's test it one more time. So, prime number, yeah, prime number. So here we have 1, 2 in prime vowels and 1, 2 in number, right? If I'm not wrong, 1, 2 in number. So 4 vowels, right? And consonants 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 and 7 maybe. Yeah, there you go. Yay! Alright, so let me go through the concept one more time. So the thing is, first, if you go from here, we are taking the input and we are converting it to lowercase. Next, we are calling this function. So what is happening here? Here we are taking the string, right? Here we are defining the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Next, we are initializing number of vowels and number of consonants to 0. Next, we are checking each character in the string or sentence, whatever it is there. Next, we are checking that whether the character is alpha or not. A character is alpha only if it contains characters A to Z. Alright. Now here, since we are already converting it to lower, so it will be small a to small z. That's it. So if character in vowels, so here again we are checking that the character that is alpha, whether if it is in vowels or not. If it is, then we are incrementing the count of vowel by 1, else we are incrementing the number of consonants by 1, and then we are returning vowel and number of vowels and number of consonants. And next here we are extracting it like this. Remember, I told you previously that it's very helpful. Okay. Next, we are printing it. That's it. That's it, guys. That's how simple it is. Let me know if you have any issue understanding the concept. So that's it. See you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.